know, I was raised by my grandmother, so yeah, I wouldn't change it for anything. She taught me about to be relaxed about cooking and about like, you know, so what if it's 15 minutes later or like 20 or like whatever, like, you know, like, it's gonna be okay, we're hanging out.
Para acá, tu silla. Ahora súbete a tu silla. De aquí no te quiero que te muevas.
A ver, muy bien.
Muchas gracias.
No, de nada, madre. ¿Quieres tus lentes? Feliz cumpleaños.
Ay, gracias.
Los de traje de cumpleaños. ¿Quieres tus lentes o no?
No.
¿No? Bueno, tú le echas la cebolla y yo me echo los rábanos.
Bueno.
Anytime it's someone's birthday, everybody wants pozole. Everybody wants pozole. So, at least personally, deeply personally within my family, pozole is equals it's someone's birthday, or equals it's a treat for someone. Oh, like, what do you want to make it? Oh, I want a pozole. You know, I know there's so many families that have like these beautiful boxes of like handwritten recipe cards that are from their grandmas and things like that. You don't have any of that. She cooks a lot by intuition and by feel. It's just like someone told you, then someone else told you, then someone else told you, and so on and so on. I think that's what she taught me, like improvisation, and to like not take things too seriously, and to always make a lot of everything. Because you never know who's gonna join for dinner. Gracias. Que tengas bonito día. Vente, no, camínale para allá. Vamos por las...
Carne.
¿Por la carne?
Para que te salga un buen pozole, tiene que llevar un pedazo de cabeza, tiene que llevar carne de costillita con huesito, carne maciza. Buenas tardes. Y se guisa en el pozole. Ese es el pedazo de cabeza. Una nariz.
¿Qué es eso? Una nariz de puerco. Pensé que era un... No sé qué pensé que era. Es una nariz. Toink. I feel like when you're in the kitchen, like time kind of like slows down. Like I could spend hours sitting in this kitchen table, hanging out without really like thinking how much time has like transpired. Maybe I was just gossiping with grandma for an hour and all I did was like grate a pint of cheese. But it's fine, because like, again, we're just hanging. Una vez, ¿te acuerdas que dijo, les voy a decir la verdad?
Sí.
La verdad es que los amo a todos mucho. Eso dijo, les voy a decir la verdad. La verdad.
Esa es la verdad.
Mi abuelito era muy bueno, fue muy buen abuelo.
Todos los días pongo una mesa porque sé que llegan. Unos antes, otros después, pero llegan. Y es de lunes a viernes, sábado y domingo ya se acabó.
Everybody, every single meal shared together at this table. It's almost like every day is very sacred, you know? That is, to me, is what I was growing up in Mexico City. This is where I'm the happiest in the world. Hi! Bien, cállate, ya, cállate.
Hola, mi amor, qué bueno que viniste.
¿Cómo estás? Oh, you used to play?
Sí. Oh, sí, tía. Está buenísimo, ¿va?
¿Lo compraron?
Sí, ya lo compramos hecho en el súper. Está muy bueno, pozole. ¿Ya sintieron la diferencia del maíz?
¿Por qué? ¿De dónde?
No es de lata, es de China. I think when everybody's around the table, what is it called? Like, what is that like thing that is like chaotic good or something like that? It's not organized at all, but it is, again, it's like reminding everybody that we're so lucky to be here. Salud! Salud, 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 salud. No seas ñoño. You know, I know that we get lost in this like doom scrolling of our own lives. To take a second and to be like, but actually, we're good. Like, you know, but actually, we're gonna be fine. It's like a constant. It's a very nice reminder, and it's a very my privilege to be able to come sit in the same table, in my same spot, still with my grandmother.
Esta foto de mi amor, mira qué bonita